Welcome. If you're looking to update your region on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the latest and easiest way to edit your region on the Instagram app for PC, following the new update. Whether you've moved to a new city, want to personalize your profile, or just need to make a quick change, these steps will help you get it done in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't already installed it, you can find it in the Microsoft Store or through your preferred app platform. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on it to open your profile page. On your profile page, you'll see an option labeled Edit Profile. Click on this button to access your profile settings. Here, you'll find all the editable details for your account, including your name, username, website, and bio. To change your region, tap on the section that says Bio. This is where you can add or update your location information. Simply type in your new region or city as you want it to appear on your profile. Take a moment to double-check your spelling and make sure the information is accurate. After you've made your changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a button labeled Submit. Click on it to save your new bio and region details. Instagram will update your profile instantly, and your new region will be visible to anyone who visits your page. That's it. You've successfully edited your region on Instagram using the PC app. This method is quick, straightforward, and works perfectly with the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a hand updating their profiles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.